learn.microsoft.com on this particular page, licensing and enterprise for Fabric. So what do you mean by tenant? Okay, so I'm just going faster, and if you feel that you are not getting anything, just let me know. I would be able to break down for you. Okay, so what exactly mean by tenant is, just think as of you have a company or you're working for a company. That company has its domain name. Okay, so that domain name is a tenant. Okay, now after that particular tenant, we can create multiple things inside the domain. Like we can create. So this is, let's say for example, this is a company A and company B, and under that company A and company B, we can have multiple tenants as well. Okay, so we can have one domain with XYZ, one domain with ABC, and then both the tenants can work in the parallel thing but separate. Okay, now under that particular tenant, we can have multiple capacity created. Okay, so let's say for example, capacity can be of let's say uh, F64. So what capacity will go into it much detail, but just understand that it's a kind of infrastructure what Fabric is allowing us to use. Okay. Now, under that capacity, we can create a domain layer as well, or we can directly create the workspace as well. Right. So what under that, when we have a domain in that particular place, what happens is we can segregate the ownership of data, whether it has been controlled by finance team, whether it has been controlled by HR team, whether it has been controlled by some other different domain inside the company. Okay. Now, with that, we can create the workspace, and the lowest level we can control is the item, right? It can be a notebook, it can be a workbook. I mean, notebook, it can be a pipeline, it can be a data factory, right? So all those things can be covered in that particular workspace. Now, how the access things work, we will be covering more detail in the tomorrow's session.